In this video of a mature intumescent cataract, the main emphasis will be on how to avert the Argentinian flag sign by a trick called the snail track or the spiral rhexis. So after making my incision, the 2.8 millimeter and the side port incision, and staining the capsule with trypan blue, just watch how I am performing this rhexis with my cystitome. I just do a big enough excursion and then I spiral it across. Now the idea behind this is holding on to this small tag is you are much more in control than having a big flap which may run away to the periphery. However, it takes a little bit of patience because you have to keep moving away this huge tag that you generate, and it keeps coming in your way. But just watch how I am doing. I am just going round in almost a carousel manner and increasing the size of the rhexis. The chances of an Argentinian flag sign are much less, as has been well documented. The only problem with this is you have to keep moving away that loop of capsular tissue that you generate, and sometimes it can be a little too much. You just cannot figure out which is the loop and which is your tag. So rather than continuing, it would be I'm trying to move it away, but you can see it just keeps coming in my way. So just come out, have a little patience, come out, push in some viscoelastic and push away the entire thing. And now it's much easier. There I engage that. You always have to engage it at the site of attachment and make sure it is complete. You can have a very small sliver of tissue which is still attached and that can run away. So make sure you've got it completely, and it's better if you do this. Take out the entire bit. Now you know it is complete. The rest of the surgery is pretty routine. I'm not going to concentrate too much on this. Anyway, for sake of completion, I will do it. I'm just doing my hydrodissection. There the nucleus is coming forward. Obviously it has been separated well. I started with trying to chop, could not because it is too soft, so I changed to a stop and chop method. I didn't bother to do the other side, just pulled out this. This is such a soft cataract, I don't need to go exactly by the book. Just bringing it and almost aspirating the whole thing. Is very soft and very easy to do. So I have not edited anything here. It almost auto fractures and I have the whole bit within a few seconds. I then go ahead and do my bimanual, clean up the fornices and put in my single piece foldable hydrophilic lens directly within the bag. Aspirate the HPMC, put in my intracameral antibiotic, hydrate the paracentesis and conclude the surgery. Thank you for watching.